Hello everyone, I am Vitek from Appvator Interactive and welcome to the first video of my devlog series. I've started working on my new game and decided to start making devlogs. I will share each step of game development with you. I hope you will like it, so let's begin. I am a solo indie game developer, but this game I will not be creating on my own. Yarda will help me with 3D art, and I will be doing all other stuffs, mainly programming. We have no idea of what type of game we want to create. So we have done a lot of brainstorm, we watched a lot of videos on YouTube, we wrote a lot of Word documents, we were doing a lot of talking about our ideas. After a few days, we have a first idea. Create something like Jagged Alliance or XCOM. It's a turn-based game. Because there is a coronavirus in the real world, we have decided to make a zombie game. So I have created a project and started making a game. I made well-looking character and then wrote a code for a grid system and pen fighting. When you click somewhere, the character will move here. After a few days of development, I had a call with Yarda, and we decided to discard this project because we don't see potential in this idea. And our final idea is to make a non-turn-based zombie game. It will be an action or stealth RPG with a fantastic story. So I've created a new project and called it Project Z. I have built a basic environment and then I've created a simple character. Now character is only standing, so I have to create the ability to move with it. I wrote few lines of code and voila, player can move with character. When you are moving, character is looking in the moving direction. You can also jump. If you are holding a right mouse button, that means you are aiming and the player is looking in the direction of your mouse. Also, you can crouch, sprint and fall. Because it's a top-down game, there must be ability to hide the roof when player enter the building. As you can see, when player enter the building, roof will disappear. And when player leaves the building, roof appears. And how is this made? Let me explain it. I have a building with a separated wall and roof, so I can simply hide the roof object. There you can see a green box. It's a collider and it's waiting for a collision. Player has also one collider. So when player enters the collider, I will hide the roof, and when he leaves it, I hide it. Simple. Now I'm going to make a weapon system and shooting. I wrote a code for equipping a weapon. Let's test it. Yeah, I think it's working perfectly. I've made few changes and fixed it. We need more weapons, so let's model AK-47. Perfect. I should definitely add to my CV that I'm good at modeling weapons. Then I made a bullet. When player shoots, I will spawn a bullet in front of the gun. And how to make a bullet fly? We have to calculate the direction. Let's have point A and point B. From the 2 points, you can simply calculate a direction vector. And then set the bullet's velocity to the movement vector multiplied by speed. But I have trouble with spawning a bullet. If player shoot and move the same direction too fast, the gun will hit the spawned bullet. So the bullet hits the gun and it disappears. So I have to spawn a bullet inside of the weapon. But if I spawn a bullet inside of the bullet hit a weapon, so it disappears. So I have to set that the bullet will ignore collisions with guns. But this is a problem, because it will look weird if you can shoot through the enemy gun. So I think about it and I found a solution. When I'm spawning a bullet, I will remember which gun fired this bullet. Then if bullet hit this gun, nothing happens. But if hit other guns, bullet will disappear. Oh no, look what I have done, it's extremely weird. I'm spawning the bullet inside the player, so the bullet pushed the player above. It looks like there is an extreme recoil. Flying is interesting game mechanic. I fixed it and made the bullet disappear when it hit something. I have added some parameters to guns, like fire rate, reload time, magazine size, and check if gun is full auto. For example, with AK-47 you can hold mouse button down, but with 9mm gun you have to click. I hope you liked my first devlog. It's really hard to make games as indie game developer. If you support me on Patreon, I can make better games. Supporting me on Patreon will really support the game development. Support us and get awesome rewards like early build, name in credits, live chat with me, and much more. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. It helps me to deliver this video to other people. Subscribe and turn on notifications to get notified when next devlog will be out. Thank you for watching. Bye.